This is my liquid smoke from Colgin. They have a variety of flavors. You can buy 4 packs. This one is the natural hickory, and I use it because I am vegetarian and I like to sometimes have substitutions of meat such as these soy curls or tofu, and I would cook those up, but if I'm going to marinate them, I'll give this a few little drops of liquid smoke and it'll add that smoky kind of meaty flavor. So it's a nice, and you do have a variety of flavors. This 4-ounce bottle lasts a very long time. I've had this for a few years because I don't use it daily, but if I also wanted to barbecue some veggies on the grill, mushrooms or zucchini, making it in large zucchini strips, I can add a bit of this on into my marinade and brush it on. So it has a lot of really nice ways to add that punch of flavor to your meal, especially when you are working with vegan substitutions. Like the tofu and soy curls are 2 very healthy soy proteins for vegetarians and vegans, but they have no flavor. So you add your own flavoring. If you want to add that kick of barbecue or whatever flavor you get, you're going to love this. I highly recommend it.